All right, Duke Dogs, we have seen how there are creeks that are very small and they run into rivers that are bigger. And then the rivers, they might run for a short distance or a long, long, long distance, but rivers run into the ocean. And we have learned about a bay that is part of the ocean, but it's protected by land. And I have set up with this little demonstration where the land with some mountains, they're kind of, and there's some smaller mountains, and there's some more land. And this in here would be like a bay that's protected, but out here's the big ocean. Now, let's predict. All right, here's some water. It's our rain. And Duke Dogs, if you ever make this much colored water, you should definitely watch the food coloring go into the cold water because it is super cool. All right, I am going to pour some rain on our mountains and land. What do you think is going to happen? Now notice that I made a dip right here. It's not flat. It's dipped down in, and there's a dip over here, but the rain's going to fall down on the mountains. Where do you think the water's going to go? Let's see. Is it staying on top of the mountain? It's raining. Boy, it's still raining. It's a lot of rain. Whoa, it's still raining. It's a lot of rain. Oh, let's look at what happened. Is there still any water on top of the mountain? I don't see any. It looks like it all flowed down the sides. Some stayed in that because there was a dip in the land that held the water. We would call that a lake. There's another lake. But see how all the water, it flowed down like off of a ramp right into the ocean. In this area here that's protected by land but has an opening to the ocean, that is what we would call a bay.